In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to solve tickets faster as a Zendesk agent. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. The first step is to sign into your Zendesk account. Simply head over to the Zendesk website and look for the Sign In option in the top right corner of the screen. Click on that, and you'll need to enter your account email and password. Once you've done that, click Sign In, and you'll be all set to access your dashboard. Now that you're logged in, we want to navigate to the Admin Center. From your dashboard, take a look at the screen and find the Settings gear icon. Click on that, and it should give you a link to go to the Admin Center. This is where a lot of the magic happens when it comes to customizing your workspace for efficiency. Once you're in the Admin Center, you'll notice a sidebar on the left side of the screen. This is your navigation pane, and you're going to want to click on the option labeled Workspaces. After you do that, you'll see a selection for Views. Go ahead and click on Views. This section is vital as it allows you to create tailored views for your tickets, helping you to manage them more effectively. Now we're going to create a new view. There's a button that says Add View. Go ahead and click that. It's time to fill out some basic details that will help you and your team know the purpose of this view. First, enter a descriptive name for the view. Make sure it's something that clearly explains what type of tickets will populate this view. You want your team to grasp its purpose at a glance. Next, you'll see an area to add a brief description. This step might seem minor, but it's super important. A clear description ensures that even new team members can quickly understand what this view is about. Now we need to focus on setting a priority filter to ensure that you see the most critical tasks immediately. Click on Add Condition to filter your tickets. From the options that appear, select Priority. This allows you to focus on tickets that need immediate attention. To pull up the most urgent tasks, set the condition criteria to greater than urgent. This smart filtering means that all of your high-priority tickets will be front and center, allowing for a quicker response time. Once you've filled out all this information, it's time to save your work. Look for the Save button, which is usually found toward the bottom of the screen. Click that to activate your filter. And by saving it, you permanently add this new view to your dashboard cues. And there you have it. By adjusting your views thoughtfully, you're arming yourself with the tools to tackle those support tickets faster and more efficiently. Customizing your workspace in Zendesk not only enhances your workflow, but it also improves the overall customer experience because now you're responding more effectively to their needs. Thank you for joining me in this guide on solving